Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other base Faucet website. You can claim your Litecoin from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link available in description. You can come here, join, just free joining. Okay, and this is the registration user, this is the Faucet claim, this is the short link visitors, and this is like Bitcoin withdrawal. Okay, and this is new website. And okay, how you can start, just go to here, click create new account, put your username, email address, password, and confirm password, and solve a captcha and click register. You can be registered in this website. Okay, right now I'm going to log in myself to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, just click verify, just click login, wait some seconds to log in this website. Okay, now you can see I'm logging. Login is done. Welcome back, Mustafa, Sahadat. Okay, now you can earn multiple ways. The first one is a claim, the next one is short link, and the next one is lottery tickets and referral people. Okay, and you can play a game. You can earn much more with just playing game. Okay, first one is the Faucet. Just click the Faucet, come here, solve a captcha, and you can choose your Faucet. Okay, this is the all Faucet available: 5 coin every 10 minutes, 8 coin every 30 minutes, 12 coin every 16 minutes. Okay, I just click 5 coin. This is all about the Bitcoin price. You know, the Bitcoin prices right now is very high. About that, this website pay you very least. If the Bitcoin price come down back in the like 10,000 or least in that, you can earn much more from this website. Okay, right now it's all about the Bitcoin price. Okay, just click, wait 5 seconds. Okay, getting the link, just click get the link. Okay, you can see I earn 2 coin and 2 lottery ticket. Good luck. Okay, and you can go to short link wall. You can complete short links and you can earn short links from this website. This is all available short links. You just click one of these short links like this one, just click it, just click visit. Okay, and just watch these short links and you can earn your free coin from here. Okay, okay, I wait 6 seconds. Okay, and getting the link. And I earn again 7 coin. Okay, that was too easy. Just watch the short links. Okay, the short links is very easy. Just watch another short links and you can earn. Okay, and the next one is a game. You can play any game you want. This is the all game. This is the Faucet list of Faucet list of recommended website from this website. Okay, if you have Faucet Pay or Express Crypto, you can just click it and the all Faucet Faucet face will be appear. Okay, and you can just click one of these, and you can also make it from here. Okay, and show you another way. The next one is the withdrawal. You think how much is the withdrawal? Okay, I go to withdrawal. The first one is the Faucet Pay. The Faucet Pay is the minimum withdrawal 30 coins. Okay, just I watch one other 3 or 4 short links. The minimum withdrawal is reached for Express Crypto is 30 coin too. And this is all information. And okay, withdrawal may take few days, and the story of your withdrawing and your profile too. This website available in description. And if you want to put your wallet address in here, you just confirm from Faucet Pay or Express Crypto. Come here, copy your Litecoin wallet address from here. Okay, come here to this website, paste in here, just click save. Okay, that was too easy. This one is saved for me, and you can now if the minimum withdrawal reach, just click it and you can withdraw your amount. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, just put your wallet address and email password, and you can earn much more from this website. Bye bye for now.